The right triangle above has the height h centimeters and hypotenuse t centimeters. What is the area in square centimeters of the triangle in terms of h and t? So we're looking for the area of this triangle in terms of h and t. So we're given a height of h, we have a hypotenuse of t, and we don't know what the other leg is. That's the third leg. So we're dealing with a right triangle. Remember, a right triangle is a triangle which has a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to need to know the Pythagorean, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are a leg, so we can have a and b, and then the hypotenuse is c. And it really doesn't matter which leg is A or which one's B. It's just one or the other. But the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So let's see what we have here. Let's get a clean page. So using our a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And if we think about our triangle, we had h centimeters and t centimeters. So we're going to plug that into what we have here, and we don't know what this third leg is. So we're going to do h squared plus b squared equals t squared. Okay, so again, this is my b. My a is going to equal h, and then my t is going to be c. So h squared is h squared. I'm going to subtract h squared because I'm trying to solve for b at this moment, so subtract h squared from both sides. I'm left with b squared equals t squared minus h squared. At this point, remember, I want to try to find out what b is. Okay, so we're kind of working on that. So I need to do the square root of both sides. We're going to extract the square root. So I get b equals square root of t squared minus h squared. Now, remember what we were trying to find to start with, because it's important to make sure you're answering the question. The question was, what is the area in square centimeters of the triangle in terms of h and k? So we're actually looking for the area of the triangle. So we need to know what the formula for the area of a triangle, and that is a equals 1/2 b times h, or base times height. Well, now I know my base, right here, and we have a height. Right. So a equals 1/2 times my base, which is that square root of t squared minus h squared, times the height, which is h. And let's simplify this up a little bit, and really I have my answer right here. You just have to, I'm going to do 1/2 times h, which is going to be h, and then times that square root of t squared minus h squared, and I'm going to put it all over 2. So really basically what I did 1/2 times h times square root of t squared minus h squared, all over 2. So that would be the area of the triangle in terms of h and k. Oh, I'm sorry, h and t.